So hey there, everybody. We're talking about some deliverables again and a little more context about deliverables today. So let's get started. Site monitoring, so for construction sites, isn't just about images. It's about deliverables that tell stories. Drone technology is often praised for its versatility in construction applications. Drones can generate impressively accurate maps, models, measurements, and more. They can also be used to tell a story about the construction sites being monitored over the course of time. In most builds, a licensed surveyor has already done the heavy lifting. They've laid out the boundaries, verified elevations, marked utilities, etc. The data is exacting and the files are delivered. And then what? Well, the project keeps moving ahead. But the visual story could end here. The site doesn't vanish into a black hole, but someone needs to tell the next part of the story. That's where drone service providers can step in. Your build is a process. It's not a moment in time. Sometimes these things can take years. So, from groundbreaking to final walkthrough, we can create visual deliverables that show the project evolving over weeks, months, and even years. Several of our projects have run for multiple years now. These deliverables aren't just pretty pictures. They're part of a larger communication system built to document progress. Yeah. Documenting progress for internal teams and stakeholders. Showcasing milestones for marketing and investor confidence. Create accountability between contractors, subcontractors, and clients. Provide historical visual records for future reference or for disputes. So the real deliverables that matter and continue to matter as these construction sites come together. The best site monitoring deliverables don't just sit in a folder. We're not sending zip files here. So they tell a story in a format that anyone can understand. Progression still images show week by week images for visual comparisons. Time lapse and video updates showing real momentum over time. Before and after ortho mosaics, that's some clients' favorite items here because they can easily capture current versus past conditions. 3D models view the structure from any angle on the site. Finally, at AZ Drone, we have custom report web pages, deliverables that are organized and shareable and not buried in zip files on Dropbox or Google Share drives. So this is about context, not just coordinates. When builders, owners, or clients look back, they don't just want to see raw data, they want to see how the project unfolded to pitch their next investors. The highs, the hurdles, the milestones, that's the story our deliverables help to tell. So yes, surveyors lay the foundation, but drone service providers can pick up the camera from there and keep rolling until the ribbon is cut. If you want to see more build sites from start to finish, go check out azdrone.net and also check out seemybuild.com where you'll see lots of different projects. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next video.